Hi and welcome back to my channel. We're colouring up an image by Heather Valentin today, so let's pop in and have a look. Hi guys, thanks so much for joining me. I'm colouring up this beautiful image from a book called Lunar Mysteries colouring book by another Lacy Sunshine book by Heather Valentin. Really enjoyed this one. It's a beautiful image. I picked the moon. I quite like her dress, is the main reason I chose this one, and all those beautiful flowers. So I'm using Express-It blending card with Copic markers here to colour this one in. Now it is a spree colouring, so at the end of this I have done a book flip through, so make sure that you stay to the end to watch the flip through as well. So guys, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're wanting to look at a full video colouring of this one, so full tutorial with commentary, please have a look at in the description below the video, because there is a link to the Patreon video exclusive, so you can pop over and have a look at that as well. Also, there'll be a colour list for patrons as well, so if you're interested in something like that, please pop over and check it out and see what you can get. Thanks guys. So welcome to the flip through part of the video. I am doing a digital flip through, so I think sometimes these ones are a little bit easier because you can actually physically see the whole lot without having to turn pages and things like that. So you really are just getting a really good look at the images. So basically the book is printed on very thin paper because it is, the publishers haven't chosen to use good paper, so just to let you know that too, but you can get it in obviously the physical copy as well. So this one is absolutely stunning. There's a few beautiful images in there that I'm actually going to be doing over the next few weeks, so look forward to a couple of those. I actually like the digital copy better because I can actually print it on my marker paper or good pencil paper, which is awesome. So guys, I'm just going to finish flipping through the rest of this book, and I hope you really enjoy this one. If you haven't subscribed, please do so again, and also too, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Vero, and also there's some Facebook links and groups down the bottom, and you can also join Lacy Sunshine Colouring group on Facebook as well. So I just want to thank Heather Valentin for allowing me to do this digital flip through for you all, and I really do hope that you enjoy it. And if you want to check out those books, I'll pop all the links, Amazon and the website links, in the description below. So thanks guys, enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you in the next one.